I've created a questionnaire so that I can find out more about my target audience and what sort of things they'd like to see in my film. The first question that I asked is, what gender are you? There was a 50-50 split between male and female. This means that I'll have to make sure that my film appeals to both genders. I'll do this by having people from both genders represented in my trailer so that then the audience have someone that they can relate to. My next question was, how old are you? The top two answers for this were 15 and under and 16 to 20. This means that my film will contain characters of ages similar to this, so the film is more relatable for them and it will show struggles of people this age and how to overcome them. The next question I asked is, what is your favourite film genre? The most popular answers were social realism and drama. I will create a film that is heavily social realism based, but with elements of drama in order for my film to appeal to a wider audience. I then asked, what is your favourite social realism film? The most popular answers were Fish Tank and Submarine. This means I will make my film similar to these as opposed to gang and violent films such as Kidulthood and Trainspotting. I then asked, what is your working status? The majority of people answering are students or part-time workers. This suggests to me that they may not have a disposable income, but they do have spare time to go out and see new films. However, due to the lack of disposable income, I may have to ensure that the magazine my film is featured in is an affordable one. My next question is, do you want a male or female protagonist? The majority answer for this question was male, therefore I will ensure that my protagonist is male so that I can please the majority of my audience. I then asked if my audience would prefer a fast-paced song or a slow-paced song in the trailer. There was a 50-50 split for this, therefore I will make my decision about song choices once I have finished filming my trailer, as then I will be able to determine what type of song fits with the scenes. My next question was, what makes you want to watch a film? The majority answer for this was the plot. This means that I must make my plot very enticing and interesting in order to attract a wide audience who will enjoy my film. The next question was, what do you normally watch films on? The most popular answer for this was at the cinema. This means that I will release my film to cinemas rather than straight to DVD or TV. My next question is an important one, as I asked what catches your attention during a film trailer. The most popular answers were exciting scenes and soundtrack. Therefore, I will include lots of exciting scenes within my trailer and also make sure that the soundtrack is appropriate and fitting for my film. My final question was, do you know anyone with autism? I asked this question because my film is based around a character with autism, so I wanted to have an idea about if people are familiar with the condition. 70% of people answered yes, which means I shouldn't have to go into too much detail about the ins and outs of autism within my trailer. I will take all of these results into consideration when making my trailer and film package.